That's
The canned hornets. This thing. Oh dear God.
that's why it's got all the warnings all over it.
Release the bees. I mean, I'm game. Somehow. They've got a chili one right next to it. Got a chili vending machine. Wash out the taste of hornets. You're really loving the idea of me suffering, aren't you?
Yeah.
You want some?
No.
What do I get if I finish all of it?
No, I don't know. It's up to you. I just offered.
It's actually not that bad.
Really?
I expected fried hornets to be worse.
I'm not sure if the camera heard you because you talked quite low, but
Yeah, they're not that bad. Kind of sweet, actually.
I'm not trying it.
You should. Take one for the team.